How to turn on travel mode. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on travel mode. So to get started, let's open Bumble app. This is your home page. Now click on the profile icon that is located on bottom left corner. It will navigate to you this profile page. So here in the top right corner, click on setting. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can see travel. Tap on it. And then click on use travel mode. Here you can add the location. For now, let's search for Pokhara, Nepal and click on it. And then get the premium to on the travel mode. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.